Our lesson today is on needs versus wants. Do you know what needs are in your life? Like
needs
what you
are
need?
like food and water.
Yeah, like what you need to survive, that you must have to live your life. And then wants, do you know what wants are?
Wants are things like toys.
Yeah, like that.
You don't need them. You don't need them to survive. You just want them
Exactly.
to play with.
It makes life more fun, more enjoyable, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to ask you to draw a picture of you, like maybe like your head, your face, your family, with the things that you need in your life.
So draw like me.
Like you, and then draw the things around you that you need in your life.
I'll just draw like...
Yeah, you can draw it any way you want.
I'll just draw a quick drawing. I'll just draw something quick. Here.
And then what do you need in your life? Like, are there things
food.
That you have around here? Yeah, what's your favorite food that you like to eat?
I don't really have one.
You don't have a favorite?
I like a lot.
So we would need like fruits and vegetables to survive. We don't need cupcakes, right?
Yeah.
But we like to have them. Okay, so like you would draw maybe like a fruit or a veggie, or what else do we need? Water?
Yeah.
Right? Okay.
I'll draw a cup of water.
Or you can write the letters down if you want. Cup of water. Perfect.
And then I'll draw a little banana for food.
Yum. I love bananas. And then what else do we need?
We need, we kind of need clothes.
We do need clothes, especially if it's going to be cold out. We need warm clothes. Like, because we live in Chicago, so that's a place that snows and gets really, really cold. And so it's necessary for us to have warm clothes.
There.
Perfect. And then let's draw one more thing. What's one more thing you can think of?
Like a home?
Yeah, perfect. Awesome job.
Yeah.
Great. You want to show it to the camera? Perfect. Good job. Okay, and now we're going to watch this video on needs and wants. You don't have to show it to the camera. It's okay.
Economics for Kids by Teaching Without Frills. What are needs? Needs are things that you must have to live, like food, water, air, and shelter. We need food to eat and water to drink to help keep our bodies healthy. We need air for our lungs to breathe. And we need shelter, like a house or an apartment, to keep us safe. What else do you need? We all have different needs to stay safe and healthy. What are wants? Wants are things you would like to have, like toys, games, candy, and computers. Wants might be fun to have, or they might even make your life easier. But you don't need them in order to survive. What types of things do you want? Sometimes it can be difficult to decide if something is a need or a want. Let's look at a few examples and see what you think. A hamburger. Is that a need or a want?
What do you think?
Maybe.
You do need food to survive, but do you have to have a hamburger?
Yeah, I think.
That just might be the type of food that you want.
Yeah, those ones get kind of tricky.
Trees and plants.
What about that?
Are those things that we need or
we need because they help us get
plants are
oxygen.
really important because
Good
they
job.
create other things that we need, like oxygen to breathe, and a lot
Exactly
of
what
food
you
that
said.
we eat comes from plants. What about a car? Is that something you need or want?
I'd say it's more of a want because you could
This one's
walk.
pretty tough.
and you
Because
have like,
clothes do make life
and you do
easier
have
for some
and
people.
there are like bikes
But
and
you don't
scooters.
need to have
And like the bus or
You
the
can
train.
Yeah.
Yeah.
bike or take a
Like
bus.
your family only has one car.
Mm-hmm.
Most families have two because they want one for the mom and dad. But your dad
So
likes
how
to
do people get
take the
all
train
the
and,
things
and
that
walk to
they
the train.
need and some of the things that they want? Check out the other videos in this series to learn
Okay.
more.
Like sometimes my dad, like when my dad was younger, he would roller skate to the train.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, I forgot about that. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do, first I wanted to ask you. So Thomas, your younger brother, he's
Mhm.
2.
Yeah.
So do you think he has different needs than you do?
Yeah.
Yeah. So he, like, when he was a baby, he needed like formula
Yeah.
and different kinds of foods than you did, and
Yeah.
different clothes and diapers, you know. So there's other things in life that people need that necessarily you don't need, you know.
Yeah. Like Thomas also, my mom and Thomas go on this Zoom every Monday to help Thomas like talk because he isn't really like moving tongue or like his mouth that much.
Mhm. So he needs that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good thing. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna separate. We're gonna do like a little fun game and glue some things. This paper might not be big enough, so we don't have to glue everything. Okay, so we're gonna put wants on one side and needs on the other. And then here are the 2 definitions. Where do you think they go under?
So I think this one, I cannot live is a want. Is a need,
Good job.
and I could live like
Without.
yeah.
Good job. Okay, so let's glue these down. Here, you can just like glue half of them so they're hanging off, so we have enough room. Good job. So needs, I cannot live or thrive without it, and wants, I
Is
could.
I could live like a TV. You don't need a TV.
What do you think fruit goes under?
Need because it helps you stay strong and it's healthy.
Yeah, this one's a good one because you have a puppy, right?
Yeah, it's a want.
A want, yep. What do you think basketball is?
I'd say a want.
A want. What about love?
I'd say it's a need.
I say it's a need. I think love's important to have
Yeah.
in your life. What about the sun? You can overlap them too, like over here.
I think we do need the sun.
I do too. Let's
Because
see.
it would like kind of always be cold.
Yes,
if we didn't
we would
have
be
the
always
sun.
cold. What about the toy car? I don't think there would be the earth without the sun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'd say
A toy car is a
want.
want. Pants.
I'd say that's a need.
I think so too. Can't go to school without pants on.
Yeah.
What about a hippopotamus?
Yeah, that's a want.
Okay. A tablet.
I'd say want.
Yeah. It comes kind of tricky now because like online learning and everything, like it's helpful for you to have one.
Yeah.
But if you didn't have one, you would still be able to learn.
Yeah, like you could do like a homeschooling.
Yeah. Let's see. Shoes.
I'd say it's a need.
Oops, wrong side.
I'd say it's a need because the shoes help you like. Let's say if there's like a nail on the ground, they help protect your feet.
Yeah.
Here, let me put it.
That's perfect. It goes with the pants.
Oh,
Here, let's do this one. Shirt.
that's a need.
It is a need. You can make a whole outfit. Okay, we'll do a couple more because you're
Running out of them.
running out of space.
Here, so I can still see. Here, I'll put it here.
Perfect. Okay. Here, you can choose one. Out of these.
Let's do. You. Actually, I'll do skateboard because
Skateboard?
I got one. I got one because I wanted one.
But you
don't
didn't
really
need
it.
one. Yeah. Okay, Good job. All right, since these don't fit, we'll just save them. All right, let's. Oh no, our shoes.
Shoes fell off.
Okay, let's
Okay.
show the camera. Nice needs and wants. Good job. You want to put that on your radiator over there? So we have a couple more things to
Yeah.
do. Okay, our next thing. We're going to make a list of things we would need
Mm-hmm.
to survive on a desert island.
Okay, I'd say water.
Water, for sure. Because, like, the water on a desert island, we'd probably be surrounded by the ocean, and that's salty, so you can't really drink
Yeah.
that. That would make you more thirsty.
Maybe like a backpack to help carry everything.
That would be a good idea. Backpack. I think maybe, like, some...
Maybe a hat to help block like the sand from your eyes.
That's a good idea. In the sun, so you don't get, like,
Yeah.
sunburnt. I think...
Yeah, sunscreen too.
Sunscreen would be a good idea because it would be hot. But maybe at nighttime it would be cold, so maybe some warm clothes as
Mhm.
well as like summer clothes.
I'll just say clothes.
Yeah, good idea. What about something to eat?
Probably like fruits and vegetables.
Fruits and vegetables would be easy to find on, maybe, hopefully easy to find on an island if
Yeah.
that ever happened.
Which is not really.
Good job. How many things do you have?
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, let's make a list of 10. So 4 more.
So I'd say maybe a phone to help contact people if you're in danger.
Yeah, but if you like
Yeah.
come to a desert island, I feel like you might have come from a plane or a ship.
Yeah, so
And
the
your phone would get
wouldn't
wet.
work.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and not really work.
Like
And there
you
might not be
wouldn't-
service.
Yeah.
So I don't think that's necessarily what we would need on our list of 10 because we want to make sure we have everything we
Yeah.
need before that one.
Maybe like a
Maybe like Band-Aids or like
Yeah,
some
like
like a first aid kit.
like
A first aid kit would be a good idea. Don't forget to pack Band-Aids when you go to Florida.
yeah.
I forgot to pack Band-Aids.
Because there could be like maybe snakes.
Yeah, and like
Or
something poisonous, and hopefully your
Yeah.
first aid kit would help you with that. 3 more things.
Maybe like a sleeping bag. So
Yeah, that's a good idea. Or like a tent.
yeah.
Tent and sleeping bag. Great
Yeah.
idea. And then one more thing. Maybe like some rope or something that you could use if you come into like a situation where you get like stuck. You know, if you're hiking or something, you get stuck and you need something.
Maybe like something like something like a rope or something. I'd say I'd say a rope.
Okay. I think that's a pretty good list. Okay.
To help you like climb out of spaces.
Yeah, exactly. So, if you and your friends ever get stuck on a desert island, I think you'd be pretty set. Let's show it there. Okay, so let's repeat what our needs.
Needs are things that are like a stuffed animal or something like that we can survive if we
Wait,
don't have
needs.
Oh, needs.
Yeah. You got
I
to mix up.
thought-
That's
I-
okay.
Needs are things that we need to survive.
Yeah,
like
we
water,
must have-
food and air.
Good job. And then wants.
And then wants are like a stuffed animal where you can live without it.
Yeah, exactly.
Like paper. you
Sometimes
can
I
live
wish
without.
like a stuffed animal could be on this list.
Yeah.
Because it would be nice to have one of our stuffed animals with us on a desert
Yeah.
island, but I think a first aid kit's more
Yeah.
important.
Like all
Yeah.
of these things